that a sick person, he knows the law. The man of war holding the law behind him, he will guide him. According to CRPC, that a sick person cannot be arrested before sunrise and can't be arrested before sunset. But because of that reason, that I may say that the police have violated the CRPC, sir. May I know from the Honorable Home Minister, the further on that CRPC, sir?
So I have already mentioned that the government have already instituted the judicial inquiry to look into all the aspects leading into that incident on the 13th morning, sir.
So, keeping in mind